Ever wondered who the heartbeat of Sundanese literature is? Let's find out. Born in 1956 in West Java, Aam Amilia's passion for literature started young. He pursued Sundanese literature at Pajajaran University in Bandung. While still a student, Aam's literary career took flight in the 1980s with his celebrated poetry collection, Cinta di Balik Kabut, Love Behind the Mist. His writing, rich in metaphors, delves into love, nature, and Sundanese life. Aam's influence didn't stop there. He's a mentor, guiding young writers through workshops. His contributions earned him the prestigious Rankage Literary Award. Aam Amilia's work continues to inspire and honor Sundanese culture. Like, comment, and share.